The Flink has three built-in methods of construct data stream from the Java collections, primarily for development and repeat testing purpose. There are, first, from the collection, create a data stream from the given NoEmpty collections. The type of the data stream is that of the elements in the collection. Second, from elements, create a new data stream that contains the given elements. The elements must all be of the same type. For example, all of the strings or integer. And third, from the sequence, create a new data stream that contains a sequence of number, and is useful for testing for cases that just need a stream of n events of any cut. The generated source split the sequence into as many parallel subsequences as there are the parallel sources readers. Each subsequence will be produced in order. If the parallelism is limited to 1, the source will produce the one sequence in order. Those three methods to construct data stream sources only from sequence support the parallelism specified, and the remaining two data stream sources are always no parallel. Okay, let me show you how to develop a source code by from those three methods create the data stream. Okay. First, we can use the env call the from collection method and specify the collection at here. Arrays as list 1, 2, 3, 4, fine. Okay, and we can call the map operator at here. Value and specify the data type integer. Okay, and then print to the console. Of course, we can specify the label and here collections. Okay, this is first one, and the second one we can from elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and also apply the map operator, specifying the map function at here. 3 or 2, okay, and specifying the type information int integer. Okay, and print at here. Also, we can specify the print label elements. The third, from sequence, you can specify the from and 2, from 10 to 13, and also specified the map operator and here. Three, perhaps long. Okay, because from sequence, as you can see, inside here, the return data type is long. All right. Print sequence. Okay. Let me start this application. As you can see, the application run well and quickly terminate by normally because those data streams are unbounded streaming. All right. In order to open the Job Manager Web UI, we can call the thread sleep method inner the map operation. Okay. Here, return, right, and the time unite minutes sleep 1 Okay, and run this application again. As you can see, the application is continuous print, and we can open the localhost web UI, job manager web UI, click inside the job collection source, as you can see, and here. Um, this data source or data stream source, the parallelism always one. That means it's a no power line, and this one, the second actually is from elements is also the no power line, and the second from the sequence that is support parallelism, or why is it because um because my local machine or developer environment, the CPU cores is 8, right? So this is a demonstration that how to use Java collections, create the data stream locally for development and testing purpose. All right, see you next lecture.